Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So, as already in one of my trip, due to some bad mishap, got my Insta360 lens effed up. See how much scratches. So the main purpose of this video is to show how we can change our lens for ourselves. So you see, we were successful to take this out, and even this lens. Taking this out was easy, but taking this out from lens glass took us some time because we had to heat in this gun and then take it out. So later when I was checking how to replace this, no, I contacted one of the places. They quoted me around 7.5k to change this lens itself. They said me it will cost around 4.5k. I went into eBay, searched for this lens, and it costed me around some $27. I'll attach now the eBay screen. You can see that. But however, it did not get delivered within the estimated time. You need to wait for around 45 days at least to get all the import clearances, export clearances, etc. So additionally we took this gum. It just costed 80 rupees. Finally that goes. Just rubbing off the old gum from the cap. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಗಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ and that's it, done. Low budget lens changing. So this is the stock lens glass and this is the changed lens glass now, and you see now. For the full video clarity, let us meet in our next video to check. But as far as that, I see no regrets. So we used this adhesive which I showed for both the lens attaching and the cap. So this costed me somewhere around just 80 rupees, and this you can find in any of the mobile shops. Okay, see ya. Yeah, so just wanted to give you a disclaimer or description, just that the entire thing which I showed you right now is completely based on the individual user's risk. If you are ready to take the risk, go ahead. If you are facing any kind of this issue, you can buy it from eBay, then wait for some time, and how I've shown in video you could proceed like that. But please note that it's on individual risk. I took the risk, it's my problem. Just because I shown in the video now, and if something happens there, I'm not someone to take responsibility for. So yeah, rest, it's upon you, an individual risk. Take the risk, but it will be worth.